Good day. I will share to you a common problem about this FO inlet pressure. Every time I embark, this is the inlet pressure transmitter that I always encountered. Fluctuation of inlet fuel pressure. The request is already arrived and then I already installed, but same. Okay, or when during testing manual pressure calibrator, it's good, but if you put it back to its original, that is what happened. Okay, this is the simple trick that I need to share to you. Then go to the generator. As you can see, there is lots of pressure transmitter that is used, but it is good. The new one I already keep, and then I'll put it back the old one because that is good. All you need is just check this one. We open the cover, and then we'll check the pressure oil transmitter. PT40, the tag fuel oil pressure. As you can see, the needle valve I already closed and then crack open. As you can see, there is no seal pot. Danfoss. Other generator, if this is fuel pressure transmitter and pressure switch, there is a seal pot so that it is stabilize the pressure. Already crack open, and then also this one you need to 20% or 30% open so that it will stabilize the pressure going to that pressure transmitter. Then we will go to the alarm panel, alarm monitoring system, so that we can check the output signal if it's still the problem. As you can see, the insulation, there is no hiding or hide seal pads. We need to order a seal pad for that one. Okay, but for now, that is the solution. As you can see, the pressure is stable, only fluctuates like a 1 bar, 12.6 going to 12.2, 12.8, 13. That's it. Okay, because during this one I need to test a pressure calibrator so that we can check if that signal going to our AMS is correct. But on 4 milliamps or 0, that is 4 milliamps, it's 0, and then the max is 16 bars, that is equivalent to 20. But I need to check on the actual pressure using pressure calibrator, introduce 16 bars, that is equivalent to 20 milliamps going to this alarm system. Okay, you need to crack open only, then that's it. Simple trick, but I need to order a seal pad. Okay, thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.